I'm back and my Shein order came in. Sorry, I got the hiccups, but let's dive into it. Okay, we got baby baggy. I ordered shoes for the first time off Shein and I'm really excited. They say they're like pretty size. And look how cute these are. It's like, wow. But I'll try them on later because I'm too lazy right now. But there's that bag. And then we got the actual baggie. Okay. Let's not make this one like the other Shein haul that took like 500 things to get through. I don't even think I posted it. Okay. We got these like cropped turtleneck long sleeve shirts. They're plain. I have a black one and a white one. It's gonna go perfect with something my mom got me with her Shein order. So yeah, throwing those onto my bed that's right next to me. Hate the hiccups. What's this? The skirt. Ugh. Here is the skirt. It is super cute. Perfect for the Draculaura cosplay I got. Oh yeah. My Shein order is basically based off my Draculaura cosplay, but also stuff I can wear normally to school. So, yee. Because it's cheaper than buying her outfit that I can't wear to school normally. Here is the sweater. It's super fantastic. Sorry, hiccups are killing me. What's this? Oh yeah, I got these earrings. They say poison. And then these tights. They are a heart pattern design. Just instead of black, they're white. So yeah, because Draculaura wears like pink, black, and white the most. So yeah, love you all and thank you for watching this video and dealing with my hiccups. So bye bye. All right, hold up. I said I would try them on later. Here are the shoes. So yeah. Bye-bye.